Hello everyone. So this is a software development project. So we have developed an application called WeChat, which will be used for people who want to interact with other people with the similar mindset. And sometimes it happens that you are in mood of doing something or talking about something, but you don't have friends who are interested in those topics. So what you can do is come here and chat with people who have the similar kind of thinking or interest right here. So you have to create an account here first, your name, your email, make sure it's working email, your password should contain a letter, an uppercase letter, and a special symbol. You have to accept the terms of use and privacy policy and sign up. So this is our current topics that this website is offering. What you can do is either choose one of these topics or create a new one. Here you can see the button can't find your interest, add it here. So we'll go here and let's see if we are interested in the Big Bang Theory, a popular sitcom. So we'll write here and for the image URL you have to search for it and just copy the image address. Copy the image address, paste it here, and here we go. See, this is the new topic here. What you can do is, if you are interested in reading stuffs, you can click here and we will have some topics for you which are related to the topic you clicked, like in case here the Big Bang Theory, and you can read the articles here. You can see a small topic abstract of the topic here, or you can read more, and the read more button will do what that will do is it will take you to the source of that article, and then we can go back and chat. Here you have to enter your name, and then it says welcome Rahul, welcome to the chat. And as other people will join here, you'll see messages and you can type here. And people can chat over here. So we have created this project keeping in mind that people will interact and have their good time, and you can log out from here. So thank you.